Hi everyone. Today I came to visit one outlet called Popular Umbrella. This comes in a street called Mamulpet, which comes in Bengaluru, India. It comes nearby Chickpet metro station. It comes in a complex called CBS Plaza in ground floor. So I'm just showing you the landmark. The landmark is this Raghavendra Hotel. So right opposite to Raghavendra Hotel, this is Mamulpet. Again, just see that is Raghavendra Hotel. This is Mamulpet. Inside this street you have to go. When you come little bit forward, you can just check like this one cross will come, and here that complex is there, CBS Plaza, and here his outlet is there, Popular Umbrella. You can just have a look. That is a cross building right opposite to this. Here you have to come. This is a complex, Popular Umbrella. Here it is written. You have to get inside this complex. So this is the outlet. You can just have a look. Popular Umbrella. Exclusive wholesale dealers of umbrellas, garden umbrellas, lot of varieties you will get here. And so if you are in business or you want to start a new business or you want to purchase for yourself, you can come here. Number is on video screen. You can contact them and they'll send you all the details. I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Dharmesh and his name is Mr. Dikshit. Hi sir, welcome to my show. Sir, tell me something about your studio, sir. What and all you'll get?
Welcome to Popular Umbrellas.
Okay.
Here you will get all kinds of umbrellas, folding, long umbrellas, golf umbrellas, gazebo tents, and lot of variety for children and garden umbrellas also.
Okay. How many years old, sir, for you in business?
Our firm is almost 75 years old now.
Okay, and minimum how much they have to buy, sir? People who
You
are coming.
can buy anything as much as you like.
Okay,
From
and
within one piece to bulk.
Okay.
We cater to everyone possible.
and what is the timing, sir?
Our timings are 10 a.m. to 7:45 p.m.
Sundays?
Sundays we are closed.
Okay, sir. And he's the owner of this place, Mr. Dhruv Shah. So whenever you come here, you can meet him. So Dhruv, right now, what you are going to show?
Hello, welcome to Popular Umbrella. So right now I'm going to show the different varieties of gazebo tents
Okay,
used for exhibition, hotels,
okay,
weddings, multi-purpose.
Okay.
As you can see, there are different sizes.
okay.
So this is 10 by 10,
10 by 10 this is.
10 into 10. That covers 100 square feet.
Okay, colors also you'll get in this.
You get 5 to 6 colors.
5 to 6 colors also you'll get. You can just check. And size, what and all we'll get in this?
And size will start from 2 by 2.
2 by 2, okay,
That is 6.5 feet into 6.5 feet.
okay.
Next you get 8 by 8.
8 by 8,
That is
okay,
8 feet into 8 feet.
okay,
Then in 10 by 10 you get 3 different qualities.
Okay.
This is regular,
okay,
this is medium,
okay.
this is heavy.
Okay, this heavy one.
As you can see in heavy there will be metal clamps.
Durability will be strong.
They are higher durability.
Okay,
And as you can see this is 18 kgs frame weight,
okay,
this 20 kgs frame weight,
okay,
and this 27 kgs frame weight.
okay,
And with regular frame you get only regular cloth,
okay,
but with heavy frame, both are medium frames, you get heavy cloth.
okay. Heavy cloth you will get.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So that means the quality of the cloth is more good,
Yes.
right? Then next,
And next we have 10 by 15.
okay,
So
cool.
it covers 10 feet into 15 feet.
okay,
150 square feet you can cover.
okay. So
Then
this is all multi-purpose.
all multi-purpose.
All multi-purposes.
And then there's 10 by 20.
Okay.
In 10 by 20 again we have two qualities. One is regular
Okay,
and one is heavy.
Okay.
Heavy again you get the same metal clamps.
All
In
right.
regular you can get the normal this thing.
okay.
You can see the gauge difference between regular and
Yeah.
heavy, the thickness.
Yeah, thickness is more. You can just see.
Yes.
The more you pay, the more better quality you will get. It's
Yes.
very simple as that.
Depending on your purpose, you get all the quality and all the different sizes.
Okay.
Right from this thing.
Like after this, what do you want to show now?
So in this, there's the smaller size is the beginning size.
Okay.
This is 2 by 2.
This 2 by 2, the smallest size.
Yes, this is the smallest starting size.
Okay. 2 by 2 this is. In this also you'll get colors.
A lot of food truck people they take this.
Okay.
Food trucks, small shops.
Yeah, yeah.
You can keep one counter away and then you can serve food to
Yeah,
others.
yeah. For wedding, if you want for wedding, cafe, restaurant, this all is multi-purpose. Price we are
All
not telling because price keeps changing and his business gets affected. That's the reason. After this, what do you want to show? In this you get 5 colors.
In this you can get 5 to 6 colors.
5 to 6 colors.
Yes.
Okay. Then
And
after
then
this,
right behind
okay.
that this is for car.
Okay.
So that you can park your car over here.
This jumbo size.
Yes, this is again 10 by 10, but
Okay.
it's used for parking your car if you want.
Parking car
Like
again.
outside, if you have outside outdoor parking
Okay.
and you want to cover the car if your car is under the tree,
Okay.
so that it doesn't ruin your car paint, we have this tent as well.
Again, this is a multi-purpose only. You want to use for
Multi-purpose
car.
also you can use it, but this is more feasible for car because that's higher this thing.
Okay. It's the length is
Height is
higher. Yeah. So you can
Compared
just
to that.
yeah. So in this also you'll get colors.
In this also colors you got only 3 colors in this.
So is this a high ceiling basically?
Yes.
Right. So the ceiling is high. You can just check, which is very good for car parking.
So some people want side wall
Okay.
to cover one side or two side or all 3 sides.
Okay.
So that is also available.
Okay.
So you can cover one side, you can cover 2 sides,
Okay.
depending on your exhibition or your use.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Cool.
And some people will cover all 4 sides,
Okay.
and one side you'll get a door.
Okay.
From where you can enter. So
Okay.
you can completely cover it.
So if some people want for event exhibition also, they can get.
Anything. You have 20 piece also. At any given point, we have stock ready for
And
you.
it's a trusted place. They are into this business for many years. So Dhruv, what do you want to tell about this place?
So as you can see, this is one of our godowns.
Okay.
Where we store all the tents. So here you can see there's 2x2.
Okay.
Over here there's different sizes.
Okay.
There's 3x3, 3x6.
Okay.
All the sizes. This is the stock which we have.
Okay.
And we have certain stock over here also.
Okay.
So stock we have any given point of time.
Okay.
And garden umbrellas, all the kind of umbrellas your requirement, we'll get it.
Alright. Before wind up, I just want to tell that this place is having awesome collections of umbrellas, garden umbrellas. We'll highly recommend you people also come to the place. I'm sure you'll love their collection. Then it's up to you. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.